A rambler.
Hey, there go Betty Grable and Harry James. I wonder where they're heading for.
Here it is, honey. It'll only take a minute.
But it's getting late. The first race goes in half an hour.
I just want you to take a look at the 1955 DeSoto. It's...
The 1955 DeSoto, the car that's styled for tomorrow. The DeSoto brings you the exclusive Power Flight range selector in its brand new location on the control panel. The 1955 DeSoto is lower, wider, and longer, with a look of action in every line. How do you like it?
Oh, it's a beauty.
Say, looks like plenty of staying power. Ought to be great in the stretch.
See how those contour lines are built right into the body, Mr. James? Give that added feeling that the car is moving even when it's standing still.
Oh, that's just the opposite of Harry's horses. They seem to be standing still even when they're moving.
Well, they may not be fast, but they're sweet. Anyway, I know a thoroughbred when I see one, and nobody has to tell me that this isn't an odds-on favorite.
As you can see, my husband has a one-track mind.
One track? Why, there's Hollywood, Golden Gate, Santa Anita, Jamaica.
Go on, Mr. Gilmore.
Like all Chrysler Corporation cars for 1955, not just a redesigned version of last year's model.
Oh?
Maybe I can explain it. Honey, this is DeSoto, out of Detroit, by Chrysler Corporation.
Oh, well, why didn't he say so?
It comes equipped with either the mighty Fire Dome 185 horsepower V8 engine or the Firefly 200 horsepower V8.
Now you're talking.
Why don't you take it out for a drive and see for yourself?
Oh, I'd love to. Hop in, honey.
Wonderful. Hey, this is all right.
All righty. All righty, where to?
Santa Anita, where else?
Isn't this wonderful?
Yeah.
Turn on the radio.
Okay.
And now for today's chapter of Honeymoon Cottage, the program that asks the question, can two ordinary run-of-the-mill people find happiness running a mill? And now, You Bet Your Life, starring Groucho Marx.
That's me. Home, Jameses.